Let's go ahead and do a review of SERPWizz, which lets audit SEO performance and generate detailed white label reports. It's alternative to SEOptimeer, SiteChecker.pro, SE Ranking, and SERPstat, and would be best fit for SEO agencies, freelancers, and digital marketers looking for an easy way to generate in-depth SEO audits for clients. So let's go ahead and do a deep dive into SERPWizz and see how it works. You can grab a lifetime deal for just $69, and for $69 you can get 150 rank checker keywords, 5 team members, 50 audits per day. If you go for license tier 2, you can get 250 rank checker keywords, 10 team members, 100 audits per day, and white labeling. Want to get an extra 10% off Appsumo lifetime deal? I will leave a link in the description below where you can find all the information how you get 10% off every products. SERPWizz is an SEO audit toolkit that tracks performance with white label reporting features for detailed, shareable audits. SERPWizz instantly performs in-depth website audits and generates reports, packed with everything you need to evaluate a site's SEO, usability, and performance. Audit all the important on-page SEO elements like title tags, meta descriptions, headings, keyword consistency, internal links, and much more. You can also audit technical and off-page SEO elements like backlinks, page speed, site structure, sitemaps, and indexed pages. Plus, you're able to create professional, white label reports and share them with prospects as PDFs or shareable links. You can customize your white label SEO reports with your company branding like logos, headers, and colors for a seamless client experience. Edit the audit report template to include company details like your business name, email, website, and phone number. Best of all, once you hand these reports off to clients and prospects, they'll look like they came straight from your team, not SERPWizz. SERPWizz also helps you generate leads. You can increase conversions by embedding your calendar link, videos, or anything using in a frame code on your website. The SEO audit tool also works as a lead magnet. After your prospects complete the form on your website, you can capture their information to use for their SEO audit. Access and organize all your SEO audit reports for leads right from the SERPWizz dashboard, ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. Plus, you can embed SERPWizz tools on your website for visitors to use independently, like SEO results, link analysis, and usability. SERPWizz also makes it easy for you to know what your website's best keywords are in just a few clicks. Open up the keyword rank tracker and add up to 500 keywords to check organic rankings based on the search engine, country, city, language, and device. Using Zapier, you can even connect SERPWizz to any of your favorite apps and integrate workflows seamlessly. That means you're able to send new data from an audit form, connect with prospects, and set up lead funnels and email marketing campaigns stress-free. You won't be treated like an SEO expert if your clients realize that you're outsourcing your services to other tools. That's why SERPWizz has white labeling features that let you offer comprehensive SEO audit reports to your clients without breaking a sweat. Add SEO audit reports to your toolkit. Get lifetime access to SERPWizz today.